All cargoes are precious and often require precision handling. What is the common denominator when it comes to transporting heavy objects, fragile merchandise, and dangerous products over slippery and abrasive surfaces with limited room to maneuver? What is the connection between delicate glass bottles or china and containers weighing several tons, or giant rolls of paper or tree trunks? Well, they all have to be transported, moved, handled, and loaded. And it is the tire which is the essential factor for all of them. It has to negotiate the most hostile environments, including white-hot glass, mud, water, dust, and obstacles. Choosing the right tire is of capital importance. Solid tires have long been the standard for mechanical handling work. However, they have their limitations for intensive use. Solid tires wear quickly, a process accelerated by overheating of the rubber and the risk of damage when running over obstacles. The pneumatic tubeless radial tire from Michelin literally provides an air cushion against these hazards. It has a good level of stability, has better shock absorption, and doesn't deteriorate under intensive use. In addition to providing protection for the machine and the loads carried, it offers increased driving precision and greater comfort for the user.
On a amélioré les conditions de travail des caristes et on a également amélioré le rendement parce que les bandages faisait maximum 1000 à 1200 heures, on arrivait quelquefois à 1500 heures, mais surtout l'XZM nous amène maintenant entre 3 et 4000 heures suivant les dimensions et les types d'utilisation.
Speed and maneuverability are the obvious requirements when handling small items. In these conditions, the Michelin XZR and Stabilex XZM tubeless tires offer clear advantages. They combine grip and high load capacity even at high speeds. How do they do this? Well, their pneumatic radial structure and open tread pattern means that they stay cool. Michelin has more than doubled tire life.
Sulle nuove macchine staremo sempre su Michelin, perché sono affidabili.
Another imperative is to avoid machine stoppages due to punctured tires. Michelin has created a range of tubeless radial tires for all types of industrial handling work, tires which avoid sudden deflations due to bursting inner tubes. To respond to this, Michelin has invented the tubeless bead seal, a real revolution. This is a rubber ring fitted between the tire bead on the rim. It allows tubeless tire technology to be used by eliminating the inner tube and can be fitted on most types of rims.
Nous sommes venus aux pneus manutention tubeless. Et là, je veux dire qu'on a fait un grand pas parce que maintenant, nous avons éliminé le problème des crevaisons. Pour nous, les crevaisons, c'est quelque chose qui n'est pas acceptable parce qu'un camion est chargé en moyenne en 7 minutes et il est évident que la crevaison à ce moment-là, c'est pas possible.
Loggers which load timber and the trolleys which transport rolls of paper or steel weighing several tons both have to maneuver within restricted areas. The radial structure of the Michelin XZM tire with its extra flat crown limits slip in these situations and improves maneuvering safety.
Les allées de circulation sont relativement étroites et donc les engins braquent quasiment sur place. Donc il y a une très forte usure des pneus. Et la qualité des pneus, c'est effectivement très très important.
Les pneus d'origine, 1800 heures, et avec les pneus Michelin, 4800 heures.
The cross-ply industrial tire on the market for many years has demonstrated how limited